Hello there, my name is Dominic Mee and I'm the Managing Director of Woodpecker Court Youth Activities. What I'm trying to do is to develop outdoor learning opportunities across two different strands. First of all, it's about young people that struggle to engage with education for whatever reason. It may well be their cognitive development has been disturbed in their early years through family dysfunction. It may well be something medical, ADHD, ASD, autism that prevents them from accessing. It may well be something traumatic that's happened in their lifetime, such as bereavement or family breakup. I have experience of all of this, and I've seen what happens to young people, especially in a selective system where the bottom portion of young people who can't engage with mainstream education are pretty much left to their own devices. Especially now with Progress 8 and with the expectations for GCSE outcomes, the pressures that high schools and comprehensives are under in Kent. What I want to do is to create an outdoor learning experience for young people where they can come to us, they can engage on a therapeutic and an engagement basis initially with the outdoor environment, with the outdoor team building activities, with campfire circles where they plan and develop their own menu under shelter, in a small classroom where we can start to develop some basic skills, with a small holding farm where the young people can work with the animals. And using informal educational techniques, we can then move on to look at educational outcomes, look at functional skills, look at an NCFE in business and enterprise linking to the small holding farm. That's where young people can be inspired by engaging with the actual experiences that they are having in order to contribute to their learning. That's the first area that I want to develop, and a very exciting project that I already have a group of young people from the Canterbury Academy are going to engage with after October half term. The second is developing brilliant residentials. That's on the back of my work, my very proud work with Learning Away with Peter Kahn over the past 5 years, looking at developing that model of learning with experiences that are actually linked to what young people are doing. So, archery and maths. Taking residentials to different locations, historic venues, developing a link that I already have with the Chatham Historic Dockyard and involving more schools. Again, that is about engaging young people that find education the hardest to access. But it's about taking the residential and using it for learning outcomes rather than just for personal development. So, why me? Because I've got plenty of experience in all of these areas. I've moved away from mainstream education so I can start to experiment and having a go at this. Why is it important? Because if we don't do something about it now, we're going to find more and more disaffected learners in the future. Thanks for listening.